Today is another beautiful day for a wonderful lesson. I'm your facilitator, Auntie Emma. Today our subject is nature talk. Nature talk. Today in nature talk, we are going to talk about God's creation. Simply things that have been created by God. There are so many things created by God, but for today, we talk about just two. We are going to talk about the sun, and the moon. Good. Before we continue our lesson, we want to sing a song about the sun. And the song says, "Who have seen the sun?" I know each one of you can sing this song. So, at the count of 3, we start. 1, 2, 3. Who have seen the sun? I have seen the sun. It is up there in the sky, shining and brightening everywhere. That brings the day when children go to school. Fathers and mothers go to work. Beautiful. Now we continue. The sun. The sun is the biggest light God created for us. It shines and brightens everywhere during the day. It gives us light to see everywhere we go. Good. The sun is very hot. Sometimes it's not so hot. It is a very important thing that God created for us. The sun helps us to dry our things, our clothes, our food crops, and so many things. Good. We'll talk a little bit about the sun. Now, let's go to the moon. Everybody, the moon. Good. The moon is also a wonderful thing that God created for us. The moon comes out during the night time to give us light. It's not only the moon that gives us light during the night time, but for today, we talk about the moon that gives us light during the night time. The moon is full sometimes. Another time, we see it this way. Are you okay, children? Good. Sometimes our moon is full, and then sometimes we see the moon to be half. Good. Now, we want to go back and then talk about all that we have done. We said that this is called what? Everybody. Yes, Ejewa. Bekasi. Jifa, are you with us? Yes. Good. This is the sun. Now What does the sun do for us?
Again. Good. Yellow.
Yes, can I have someone?
Let's go over our
Alia, are you there?
What color is this, babies?
Yes.
Red. Again.
Good. We said that
Again.
the sun
Good.
gives us lights.
What color is
At
this
what
chair?
time?
Again.
Is it during the
Again.
night time
Red. Beautiful.
or during the daytime?
Watch here. Watch our playhouse.
Good. It gives
Watch
us
here.
lights
There are a lot of bars here,
during
different
the
colors.
daytime.
What color is
Beautiful.
this? What color is this bar?
And then also
Good. Red.
the sun
Again.
helps us to do
Red.
what?
Again. Red. Again.
To see.
Good.
Good.
Now our next
And to
color.
also do what?
Our next color. What
To
color is
dry
this?
our things.
Blue. Again.
When mommy washes our clothes,
Again.
she dries
Good.
them in the
Now
sun,
our back
and
to
then
our
they
playhouse.
get dried
What color is this bar?
very quick
What color
and
is the
fast.
bar?
Good.
Good. Again.
Now,
Blue. Again.
what did we say this is
Excellent.
called?
How about this? What
Is
color
this
is
not
this
the
chair?
moon?
Again.
Or is it the
Again.
sun?
Beautiful.
It's the moon.
Let's
Wonderful.
move to the next color.
Put it together for
Let's
yourselves.
move to the next color.
Good.
Okay. What color is this bar?
I said the moon is what?
Yellow.
Full.
Again.
It means
Yellow. Again.
it is round.
Beautiful. How
Full.
about this?
Good. But
Again.
sometimes it's not full.
Fantastic. High five in the air to
It is
yourself.
what?
High five in the air.
Half.
High
So
five in the air to
this
yourselves.
is a half
Beautiful.
moon,
How
and
about the chair?
this is a
How
full
about this chair?
moon.
What color is this?
This is a
Good.
full
Yellow.
moon. Good.
Beautiful.
And what does the moon do for
Now
us?
we move to the next.
It gives us
color.
lights. At what
What color
time?
is this?
Is it during the day
Pink. Again.
or at night?
Pink. Again.
Good.
Pink.
At night time.
That was
Beautiful.
amazing.
Let's shine for ourselves.
Have another color
Shine.
here.
Shine. Keep shining.
Another color.
Is it hot?
What color is this
Is it
one?
hot? Now,
Pink.
let's
Again.
fire. Fire.
Again.
Beautiful.
Pink. Beautiful. Now
Today
watch
we have come to the end
What color
of
is
our
our
lesson on God's
Again.
creation.
here.
We
Green.
talked about
Again.
two things
Beautiful.
created by God.
Okay.
We spoke
That
about
was amazing of you all.
the sun
Now let's go back.
that gives us light during the day,
Let's go over our colors once again. Are you ready?
and
Are you ready?
the moon
Make some noise.
that gives us light
Good.
during the night.
Okay, let's go over
Beautiful.
our colors. Let's go over our colors.
We come your way another time with a beautiful God's creation.
Yellow.
Bye.
Yellow.